animals for God's sake, and just be nice to people, spread love, spread joy, and definitely watch Wajah Tum Ho.
Hey guys, welcome to Follow, and since Diwali is round the corner, this gorgeous lady Sana Khan is all set to celebrate this festival of light, and she is looking like a Diwali bomb right now.
Fire.
She's wearing a lovely gown. We're gonna give you a glimpse of that as well later. So Sana, tell me, how has Diwali been for you all your life?
Diwali has always been a great festival, yeah. I think I've always loved Diwali since my childhood days because I used to celebrate it with all my friends who have majorly been Diwali people. So I think it's very nice when you have the blend and the mix of culture and you have your friends who come from different culture, the way they celebrate it, you know, especially the food, the getting ready thing and going out with your friends and troubling everybody in the society. I think that has been my most favorite and memorable part about my childhood, and I still enjoy it, but of course now I've become more calmer and quieter. I don't do all those naughty things. I just go out with my friends, go for lovely dinner with family, with friends, and I think for me that's very, very important that I spend the day with my near and dear ones.
Alright, since you mentioned about food, tell me, what do you like to relish on Diwali especially? Like Diwali special items.
Food. Yeah, there is nothing Diwali special or Eid special. I think I just love food. I am a pure hardcore non-vegetarian, so I really like to eat heavy meat, and I'm a totally meat person.
Right.
So yeah, I eat everything from both food.
But what's your favorite Diwali snacks? Because Diwali में ना बहुत मिठाइयाँ
I don't like sweets, yeah, and I
Not a
hate people who
sweet
give
person.
sweets. No, I think people should gift each other dry fruits, because I think sweets का एक expiry date होता है, वो इतनी जल्दी खराब हो जाती है, plus इतना sweet, you feel like, and at least if you're gifting something, give them good health and give them dry fruits. That's all you can do. This Diwali, give people good health.
So this Diwali give dry food. That's what Sana said.
Yeah.
Alright. So tell me, how do you celebrate Diwali every year? Are you any celeb friends? कैसा होता है?
देखो, जहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स होता है वहाँ पे पहला सेलेब और नॉन सेलेब तो आता ही नहीं है. फ्रेंड तो फ्रेंड ही होता है. आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज enjoy celebrating, as I told before, with friends who are very close to me, who are part of family, and I think that's very important that you celebrate your festival with your close people only. There shouldn't be any tags of अच्छा celeb, तो फिर वो एक treatment अलग है, वो कुछ नहीं. We just want to be normal people, when it's festival. I am no celebs to my friend. We are all friends.
This Diwali is special. I think you're gonna celebrate it with the Wajah Tum Ho team.
Yes.
It's her movie which I think YouTube पे तबाही मचा चुकी है. Tell me, how has the response been for it?
What do I tell? I think people can see it's amazing.
Exactly.
It's maddening. I think in 24 hours getting 10 million is like crazy. That means people are loving
That's
the
kind of
trailer.
record.
Yeah, that's definitely a record, and I think I'm very overwhelmed with the response. Honestly, I expected 1 million at least, but plus 9 million is definitely a bonus.
Diwali धमाका.
Yeah, I think Diwali धमाका ही हो, ये वाकई धमाका हो गया.
It's like we see a complete different Sana on screen, especially in Wajah Tum Ho trailer. Big Boss में Sana कुछ अलग देखने को मिली. अब ये transformation कैसे हुआ? और
I think आप जो बिग बॉस में देखते हो और जो आप अब मुझे देख रहे हो वो मैं हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली जब आप मुझे कोई फिल्म में देखते हो और या कुछ और चीज में देखते हो वो मैं नहीं हूँ, वो मैं एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ. तो डेफिनेटली the character that I play doesn't define the person I am. I always say I am Sana, the girl who's in Wajah Tum Ho is Sia, and we have no resemblance. We are two different people.
So tell me more about Wajah Tum Ho.
Well,
what was like taking you back on the first day of your shoot? What was your first shot?
I can never forget my first
What was
day
the
of the
first
shoot.
shot?
My first day of the shoot started with a very धार्मिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माइन इन द फिल्म. इट वाज एन इंट्रोडक्शन सीन ओनली. मैंने कहा यार बीच का सीन कर लेता. मैं पहले दिन इतनी नर्वस हुआ. यू डूइंग द इंट्रोडक्शन, दैट मींस यू हैव टू डू द बेस्ट. सो so it was very, very tough for me because I had to close my eyes and say the puja and everything, and the moment I used to close my eyes I used to start moving like this. So literally I had an assistant who was lying on the floor holding my leg so I don't go out of focus. So I think that was the most memorable. आज भी मुझे लोग बोल के हंसते रहते हैं, क्या है तुम पहला इतना सिंपल शॉट नहीं दे पाई. So I think आँख बंद करके तो मुझसे बिल्कुल भी बैलेंस ही नहीं हो रहा था. मैं ऐसे हिल रही थी. उन्होंने बोला आप आँख खोल के बोल लो. So I think that was very sweet, and I think I had such ऐसे बहुत सारे memories है मेरे सेट पे. हम रोज I think movies एक मूवी तो क्रिएट की है पर मूवी से ज्यादा हमने मेमोरीज बनाई है मूवी मेकिंग में.
Right. So were you also anxious for your bold scenes or?
Of course, yeah. Who's not? I think every
So,
girl is anxious.
yeah.
Whoever does it, I think. I don't think anybody enjoys getting so bold on screen. If given an option, we would choose not to. But then at times, I think when you play a character and you have to do full justice.
Right.
You know, कल को if I'm young tomorrow, I get a chance to play a mother role. I won't say अरे मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए. You know, I'll play a mother, but मुझे एक baby नहीं चाहिए.
Right.
So I think it can't be like that. You know, if I'm a lawyer, I can't wear ghagra choli and do the scenes. You know, so you have to be in the theme, in the character, and I think that's what we've done. And it's all about people want to see things that are real, at the same time they want to see fantasy. So all the films are mix of reality and fantasy.
So now your more focus is on movies, or would you also would like to do reality shows? Because
No.
reality
Enough of
shows.
reality shows. इतने ज्यादा reality मैं नहीं चाहती लोग मेरी देखे. बहुत हो गया.
Alright, songs. I mean, जो trailer में song का glimpse है वो बहुत अच्छा है. Just heard you humming, so I want you to do the same with me.
No.
Yes.
Well, it's Vaja Tum was the title track of the film. Mithun ने compose किया है, and it is like it's gonna be. I am 100% sure it's gonna be super blockbuster of the year once it's out. It's out on 20th of October on
So
YouTube and channel.
it's a second Diwali bonus from Sana.
It will definitely be a second Diwali bonus.
Yeah.
My movie music is like superb. I'm just being very modest and telling that we have amazing album. We have Vajwa Tumo title track. We have Mahi Ve Mohabba Sajda. This is a hit
Exactly,
track.
that was the catchy thing
Yeah.
in the track.
See, it's catchy because you know the song. When you
Yeah.
don't know the song, then it takes a little time to grow on you. And there's another song called Aise Na Mujhe Tum Dekho Seene Se Laga Lunga. So I was like, oh my god, itne sare hit numbers.
I think remakes are
Yeah,
in
then you can remake a film. Why not a song? Yeah,
Yeah.
get deal.
Kala Chashma itna hit हुआ,
Exactly.
but वापस से माही वे and why not that? So
Why not?
Here's going Sana for it.
बजा तुम.
Little, yeah.
Okay. हम जो हर मौसम तुम पे मरने लगे, वजह तुम हो, वजह तुम हो. हम जो शेरो शायरी करने लगे, वजह तुम हो. बिखरे बिखरे से थे हम पहले, अब संवरने लगे. तुम्हारी गलियों से रोजाना जो हम गुजरने लगे, वजह तुम. Tulsi is going to kill me for this. I'm sorry, Tulsi.
She's indeed a very good singer. Tell me, when are you releasing your next album?
Yeah, first let me release my first film. Yeah, forget about the album. मेरी picture release हो जाए. मैं सारा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके एक अच्छा वीडियो डेफिनेटली रिलीज करूंगी जिसमें जो मेरी वॉइस होगी वो 10% होगी, 90% म्यूजिक मैजिक होगा.
ऐसा नहीं, you sung really well. So one message to all your fans.
Of course, the message is only one, guys. First, of course, happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Second, please watch Baja Tum Ho without fail.
And do not pirate. Piracy
Of course, no pirate. I'm going to kill if I get to know anybody who's doing piracy. घर पे आके मारूंगी. Please don't do that, guys. It's very, very wrong. You know, please. ऐसे बिल्कुल मत कीजिए. Support the industry, support people's hard work, the way you want your work to be supported in your respective fields, and what you give to society is the same thing that you get back from the society. Karma will not leave anyone, so be nice.